Today we're looking at part number 14-112KT. This is your rubber bushing kit for your 2.5 inch wide trailer leaf springs with the 3/4 inch bolt. So this is going to be your kit if you need to replace your bushings on your axles. Commonly 2.5 inch wide springs are found on 10,000 pound axles. Dexter axles, CarterAxles, Lippert, and just about every other brand out there. This bushing has the 3/4 inch hole right here that the grade 5 spring bolt would go into, and then you got your lock nut. So you'd have to bang out your old rubber bushing if you need to replace it, and then put this one in place, and then you're pretty much set up and ready to go. And you can get these at TrailerPartsUnlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687.